Maria Lorena Lehman, award-winning author of the book Adaptive Sensory Environments and founder of the Sensing Architecture Academy. In today's micro lecture, we're going to explore how you can use design fiction to really improve your architectural design process, particularly your iterative design process. Now, if we'll take a look at the following diagram, you'll notice that this first horizontal line represents first the point of your initial spark, your initial design idea. And then from here, you can begin to iterate as you strive to solve for the design solution to your challenge. And from this point, you will essentially iterate. And as you iterate, you will compare and contrast different solutions with each other. You can test and explore these different solutions. But in the end, you will have a somewhat horizontal iterative process. Now, when you inject design fiction, you'll be able to use tools like asking the question that starts with "what if?" Questions like, what if this design solution could pull from nature to solve for this design problem? That's just one simple example of a design question that starts with "what if?" to trigger your design iterative process as you solve and find those extraordinary solutions at the beginning of your design concept formulation phase. Now, when you begin to inject design fiction in this way, you'll notice that you will have other iterative ideas which can form branches from an initial, more obvious solution. You'll be able to find greater out-of-the-box solutions. And from here, you can form, again, more branches of ideas that derive from one another. And in doing this, you'll be able to find new patterns among your ideas so that you can quickly test them or explore them. And as you do this, you're finding these patterns, you can make connections that would not have been possible before. So be sure to ask those critical what-if questions when you are designing, particularly at the beginning of your architectural concept design formulation. Now, for additional information where you can go more in depth into the topics I've covered in this micro lecture, please be sure to visit my website at marialorenalehman.com and look for the link with this video where you can access the article which explains these concepts in more detail. I look forward to seeing you in the next micro lecture.